Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can charge controller of your DJI Mavic Pro. So to do this, now we have to basically find the micro USB port. It's located on the left side of our controller. As you can see, it appears right here. And next we have to find in our box this micro USB cable. So we have to simply plug it just right here, the micro USB end, and that's the second end, the USB-A. So this one you can plug to the brick, the charging brick, your PC, laptop, and doesn't matter about the voltage, just plug it. So let me do this right now. And as you can see right now, when you plug it to the electricity, there is the information that it is charging right now, and right here you can also find the information about the battery level. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.